How to fix unable to log in to Fortnite servers. Please try again later. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Next, what you're going to do is check for any updates available for the Fortnite servers. If not, then you can just go to the settings, then tap on the apps option, then tap on manage apps. Now all you have to do is scroll down to your Fortnite application. So just scroll down and let's search for Fortnite. Tap on it. Then you can see different options at the bottom toolbar. So just tap on clear data and you'll be able to clear cache and your data. And tap on app permission as well to toggle on these required options. After that, go back and you can tap on power button and then tap on reboot and restart the device. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.